You ever look up and see those white lines crisscrossing the sky? Those are planes, folks, hundreds of them, sharing the same airspace. Imagine a highway in the sky, packed with vehicles moving at hundreds of miles per hour. Now imagine that highway with no stop signs, no traffic lights, just a whole lot of trust and some seriously smart systems. That's air travel, and our job is to make sure those planes don't bump into each other. That's where things get interesting. We're talking about a system that's been perfected over decades, a delicate dance of technology and human expertise. It's a system that keeps millions of people safe in the air every single day. So buckle up, because we're about to take a look at how planes avoid collisions and why you can relax and enjoy that in-flight beverage. Let's meet the folks who make sure those metal birds don't turn into a flock of twisted metal. They're called air traffic controllers, and they're the unsung heroes of aviation. Imagine these folks in a room full of screens, each dot representing a plane. They're like conductors of a high-stakes orchestra, guiding planes through the sky with clear instructions. They use radar to track each plane's position, speed, and altitude. They tell pilots when to turn, climb, descend, you name it. It's a high-pressure job, no doubt, but these men and women are trained to stay calm under pressure. They're the reason we can fly from New York to Los Angeles without even thinking about a fender bender at 30,000 feet. Now, let's talk about personal space, airplane style. In the air, it's not about arm's length, it's about something called separation standards. These are the rules of the road up in the air. They dictate how much space must be maintained between aircraft at all times. We're talking miles here, folks, both horizontally and vertically. Think of it like invisible safety bubbles around each plane. These separation standards ensure that even if one plane has a slight deviation, there's enough room to maneuver without a close call. It's all about calculated risk management. By keeping planes a safe distance apart, we drastically reduce the chance of a mid-air mishap. Now, even with the best air traffic controllers, human error is always a possibility. That's where technology comes in, specifically a system called TCAS, Traffic Collision Avoidance System. TCAS is like a backup quarterback for safety in the sky. It's a system installed on each aircraft that talks to other planes, independent of ATC. It's like each plane has its own little guardian angel. If two planes get too close for comfort, TCAS kicks in. It gives pilots clear, audible instructions. Climb, climb, or descend, descend. It's designed to prevent those oh crap moments and keep those safety bubbles from bursting. And let's not forget about radar, the unsung hero of air traffic control. It's the eyes in the sky, constantly tracking aircraft positions. It gives controllers the information they need to keep those planes safely separated. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world of how we keep those planes from playing bumper cars in the clouds. It's a combination of human skill, rigorous procedures, and some seriously impressive technology.